MUSICLife Productions.
Hi everybody, this is Peter. I'm a producer, mixing, mastering engineer, artist, and composer. And I'm also a lyricist. We're here to let you know that we just dropped our first YouTube channel where we'll be able to teach in Creole and English how to produce, how to do anything musically talking. We are a video studio located in Brooklyn, New York. We're here to help mixing engineer, up-and-coming producers, up-and-coming artists. If you would like to know how to mix anything you'd like to do musically, we're here to help you professionally. Later on, we'll have courses available on the site for you that we want to take it to the next level. Started from today, we'll be posting one video each week. Send me a message directly, let me know any question that you may have musically related. Don't be afraid, just hit me up and I'll try my best to reply to you as fast as I can. If you want our information too, that will be also located in the video on the bottom. If you haven't subscribed, now is the best time to go and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon on the side so when we have new videos, you could be notified. This is Peter, the MUSICLife Productions here at Video Studio again. God bless you. See you next time.
MUSICLife Productions.